Your website might be your biggest liability right now, and you don't even know it. An outdated site doesn't just look bad, it actively pushes customers to your competitors. Here are 5 reasons Virginia Beach businesses are getting web redesigns today. Reason number 1. First, slow load times. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, more than half your visitors are already gone. Google also uses page speed as a ranking factor, so a slow site tanks both your traffic and your conversions at the same time. Reason 2. Outdated design destroys trust. Customers make a judgment about your business in under 3 seconds of landing on your site. If it looks like it was built in 2014, they assume your services are just as outdated. First impressions are everything. Reason 3. Mobile issues. Over half of all local searches happen on phones. If your site isn't fully responsive, meaning it adapts cleanly to any screen size, you're losing those visitors immediately. Build Pro tests every redesign across real devices before launch. Reason 4. Weak SEO. Older sites often have poor URL structures, missing metadata, no schema markup, and no local SEO signals. A redesign is the perfect time to rebuild that foundation properly, so Google can find and low conversion rate. If people visit but don't call, fill out a form, or make a purchase, your design is failing you. Clear CTAs, trust signals, and a logical user flow turn visitors into leads. That's what a strategic redesign fixes. If any of those 5 hit home, it's time for a conversation. Hit the link below to read the full article or request a free website audit. Call Build Pro Business Services at 757-833-4062. We serve businesses across Hampton roads, and we build